From the end of part wild horse's mane, we go into a really nice move, white crane spreads wings. So we finished in this position here. Last point on this, when it comes to stepping forward, as long as your lead foot, as long as the heel of your lead foot is ahead of the toes of your back foot, you've more or less stepped far enough forward. That's fine. What you don't want is to be so far forward that if ever you had to step backwards, you have to throw yourself back, or if ever you had to come in, you'd have to drag yourself forwards. So less is more. You will hear me saying that a lot about Tai Chi. The less you can do, the better, and the more you will get out of it. So we finished at the end of part wild horse's mane. We're going to use the right hand to pull the right foot towards the left, and we're on the right toes. I haven't moved this left hand. The reason for that is that's going to remind me I need to do something with it. So now we're in this position, we need to get control of the ball because we've lost control of it. So the right hand becomes the bottom of the ball, and we pull the ball back towards us, and in doing so, we swap the feet over. So now I'm on the flat of the right foot and the toes of the left foot, and I've got a ball right in the center of the body. I'm going to push down with the left hand, straight down, and as it gets into fairly close proximity to the right hand is going to start coming up in front, like this. The left hand is going to go down to the left hip, and again, pushing down. Right hand floats up to eye level. Once it gets to eye level, turn the palm to the sky, and extend the left toes forward and look just below the thumb. And that is the entirety of the movement. But it's a lovely looking one, because from here, in, floating through. You don't want this hand too high, it doesn't need to be up here. What it's actually for is if somebody was going to bonk you on the noggin with a bat or something else like that, because your hand is there, you would grab it, turn it, and pull it down. Everything in Tai Chi has some kind of self-defense element to it, and that's what this one is. So that one's there, you would turn, pull down, and then push away with that one. Reason for the toe is there, because the weight is in the right leg, this is empty. If you needed to do something with this one, you could. It's a readiness position. Moves like this as well, also good for the thighs because you're putting a lot of weight in something, and for all you're not in that position for very long, it does involve using the big thigh muscles. So from this angle, we were there, pull in, pull back, swap the feet, push down, lift and turn, and extend the toes. From this way, pull in, pull back, swap the feet, extend the toes. The less is more thing. You need to learn how to relax the shoulders. So when that hand is up there, the only reason that elbow is there is because that hand is there. So it's as though somebody's got hold of that hand and you relax everything else. So relax the shoulder, relax the elbow. Because until something hits that hand, you don't need energy up here. You don't need to be putting energy into that. You can relax everything. It's only when something would hit that you would then transfer energy into it. So, white crane spreads wings. We start there, pull in, pull back, swap, lift, present.